In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eToro Smart Portfolio. Think of smart portfolios as ready-made baskets of assets built around a theme, a strategy, or a group of markets. They're designed to simplify diversification and let you follow a structured approach without picking individual assets one by one. Start by logging into your eToro account on the web or mobile app. Once you're in, head to the Discover section. This is where eToro organizes all its market ideas and categories. Look for the Smart Portfolios area. You can click it directly if you see it, or simply use the search bar and type Smart Portfolios to jump straight there. Opening Smart Portfolios brings up a library of options you can browse. Choose a smart portfolio that matches your interests or goals. You'll see choices based on sectors like technology or renewable energy, strategies like long-term growth, or mixes curated by eToro's investment committee or by algorithms. Click into any portfolio to open its details page and take a careful look at 4 key items before you decide. First, review the risk score. This is a quick snapshot of how volatile the portfolio might be, usually on a standardized scale. Higher numbers mean more potential ups and downs. Next, look at returns. You'll see historical performance over different time frames. Remember, past performance is not an indicator of future results, so use this as context rather than a prediction. Then, check the asset breakdown. This shows exactly what the portfolio holds and in what proportions, whether it's stocks, crypto, ETFs, or other instruments. Make sure the holdings align with what you're comfortable owning. Finally, read the rebalancing strategy. This explains how and how often the portfolio adjusts its positions to stay aligned with its target allocation. Understanding rebalancing helps you know what to expect during market swings. When you're ready to invest, click the Invest button on the portfolio's page. Enter the amount you want to allocate. There's typically a minimum, often around $500, though this can vary by region and over time. Confirm the details on the screen and then confirm your investment. After that, your exposure to that smart portfolio is set according to its current allocation and ongoing strategy. That's it. By logging in, navigating to Discover, opening smart portfolios, choosing one carefully, reviewing the risk score, returns, asset breakdown, and rebalancing plan, and then investing the amount you're comfortable with, you can put a structured approach to work with just a few clicks.